So welcome back, friends. I just thought that I would hop on today. I am in the process of making dinner. I'm doing something very, very simple tonight. With everything going on that's so busy, simple is great for us. I am just doing some lasagna hamburger helper, and I've got the ground beef all browned here, and I am enjoying my skinny latte Starbucks. This is one of the bottles that you can buy at the supermarket, but it's really good. I love it. So I get a Starbucks every day from Starbucks, and then I just supplement my coffee fixation throughout the day with this, and then after that I drink a lot of water. So right now I've done the ground beef, and what I'm going to do is it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'm prepping this now, and tonight I will make some Mexicorn and I have some dinner rolls, and that will be dinner. So I'm just gonna finish this up here, and then I will let it cool off. I'll put it in the refrigerator, and then this will be ready to heat up whenever he gets home from work. And then I will add in the Mexicorn. I'll make that when he gets home, and the dinner rolls, because that won't be difficult at all. So right now what we're going to do is I'm going to drain our ground beef here. So now we need our milk, 3 cups of hot water and a half a cup of milk. So let's get that going. My sauce packet was at the very, very bottom, so I was trying to get that out of the way so I didn't drop it inside of my food. You guys have some plans for the summer? I know I see a lot of people doing, graduation stuff, and we're actually going out of town this Saturday to my family's. My niece just graduated from high school, and one of my nieces, I should say, just graduated from high school, and so we're going to her graduation party on Saturday, and that'll be a lot of fun. She's getting ready to then go off to college. So all right, so we've got this going now. Simmering, we'll let that do its thing, and then I'll let it cool, and that'll be our dinner tonight. So I just wanted to hop on while I was doing this and say hello. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell so you're notified of any upcoming videos, and stay tuned for more videos to come in the future. Have a great day, and we'll look for you the next time.